Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from AgriMath Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to split two names in Excel. So basically in this video I'm going to solve a problem like this. So maybe you have, because the most common problem happens while you have copied the text from notepad or maybe similar applications, and then you're going to paste it to your Excel worksheet, but it doesn't show it in multiple columns, so it just shows in the first column. So what would you do in such a situations? Before anything else, this is so easy to solve and I will show you how. So all you need to do is to go to Data tab, and then in Data Tools segment, find Text to Columns. This Convert Text to Columns wizard shows up, and then let's go ahead with each other. The text wizard has determined that your data is delimited. If it's correct, choose next or choose the data type that best describes your data. Delimited characters such as commas or tabs separate each field, and fixed width is fields are aligned in columns with spaces between each field. So mine is delimited, so characters are my character which is separating fields is comma, so it's delimited. I go in next, and in this screen lets you set the delimiters your data contains. You can see how your text is affected in the preview below. Yeah, here if you can see these delimiters, so mine is comma. I know it already, but if you don't, you can just check and uncheck these actually options. But if you notice, they are delimited also by space and by comma. So what I will do here is to select both of them, and if I uncheck this, you can see that between each two delimiters it considers a column, so I don't want it, so I want to treat consecutive delimiters as one. So that's it. And the benefit is that when you have just selected comma, it has a space between it has a space in the starting of each cell. You can see this, it's space English, space English, space Scottish, you've noticed. But if I put space also checked and select treat consecutive delimiters as one, there is no space. These spaces are deleted. So I go by next, and then in here you can also select the data format. So mine, I can put it on text or general, but I don't bother, and go for finish. And you can see my data is now separated to 3 columns as I had in here. You can see I have 2 columns for 2 names, and then 3 in the next row, and then 3 also in the third row, and etc. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my sub channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.